Right, okay. Good evening all of you. Can you hear? Right. Let me know, can you hear me? Yes, right. So, we have to start the lesson. That day we have done the lesson sets, then we had some homework. Yes or no? Yes, right. We'll go through those exercises what I have given as homework, then we'll move to the new lesson, right? Exercise 2.2, question number 1, right? We have to answer that one. Have you answered those? Right, so you can check your answers, right? Right, first question, express each of the following sets by writing all elements of each set within curly brackets, right? First one they have given days of the week, right? So, you have to write A, name of the set is A, then equal within curly brackets you have to write the names of days, right? What are the days? Monday, yes, like that, yes, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those 5 days you have to write within curly brackets. I didn't write all. So, from Monday to Friday you have to write. Sorry? Saturday and Sunday. Days of the week. Sorry. That means weekdays they are asking, no? Both are okay then. Days of the week. Then okay. 7 days also okay. Right. So Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Right, next one. Prime numbers between 0 and 10. Do you know what are prime numbers? Not that much. But in grade 6 you are learning. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers means if a number had only 2 factors, we call that one as a prime number. We will take like this. Here if I take 8, right? What are the factors of 8? How we can find factors of 8? First I can note down all the products of 8. Here 1 into 8, then 2 into 4. Then what are the others? That's all, no? 4 into 2 again you have 2 into 4, right? Same thing we don't write again and again, right? So factors mean now you have to write these are in ascending order. What are the factors then? 1, 2, 4, 8. Those are the factors. How many factors are there? 4 factors are there, right? If I take 3, what are the products you can write? Only you, yes, 3 into 1 or 1 into 3, right? Then factors are only 1 and 3. Is that okay? Right? If I consider this one, 8, it has how many factors? 4 factors. But 3, this one? Only 2 factors, right? That means same number it has and only 1. Okay? I'll give another example. When you take 11, could you please tell me what are the factors? 11 into 1 or 1 into 11. Then factors are 1 and 11. That means the same number it has and only 1. Now did you understand the difference? Then we call these are what? Prime numbers. Now okay. Right. Do you want to note down this one? I think it is better. No need. Okay. Then we will move to the lesson. Right. Prime numbers between 0 and 10. So what are the prime numbers now? B.
2, 3, 5, 7.
1. If I consider 1, is that a prime number?
Yes.
No. 1 has only factor 1, that is 1. It has only one factor. So, prime number 1 is not a prime number. Okay. Right. So, we can write B. Two is a prime number, then 3, 4, that is not a prime number, then 4, 5, is that a prime number? Yes. Then 6, that is not a prime number, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. Then we had only these. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So, you have to remember, you have to separate all the elements by comma. Okay. Right. Then this is the answer. Then we will see next one. What is the question we have? Multiples of 4 between 0 and 25. What are the values? So, first we have to write.
16,
Yes.
20 and 20.
C is equal between 0 and 25. 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 and 24 also. Yes, 24 also there. Right. Next one, letters of the word diagram.
D-I-A-G-R-A.
Yes. Within brackets we have to write curly brackets. D is equal simple D, I, A, G, then R, A, that is not writing again, and M. D, I, A, G, R, M. Okay. Right. Next one, districts of the Western Province. That one also we have done last day. So, within curly brackets you have to write what are the districts. Yes, Colombo, Kalutara, Gampaha. You have to separate all those by using comma. Right. Next one, F. Digits of the number 21,412. So, you have to write Yes?
2, 1 and 4.
2, 1, 4. For this, if I write like this, 1, 2, 4. Is this correct?
No.
Yes, that is also correct. Yeah. I told you that day order is not important, no? Any order we can write. Okay. Right. Then last question, multiples of 6 from 1 to 10. What are the values? Yes. Only 6 multiples of 6 from 1 to 10. Then only 6 we have to write. Okay. Have you got all correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Right. Shall we move to next one then? Right. Part B. For the sets defined above, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, Saturday is an element of A.
True.
True. Yes. Next one, P is an element of D.
False.
What is D? We will see letters of the word diagram. They have given here P. So, that is false. Right. Third one, all the elements of C are even numbers. Let's see.
True.
See, multiples of 4 between 0 and 25. What are the values we have written?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
Yes, we will see 4, then 8, then 12, 16, 20, 24. All these are even numbers. So, that is correct. Right. Last one. All multiple of 3 from 1 to 10 is an element of G. Is that correct?
False.
Any multiple of 3 from 1 to 10 is an element of G. G is what? Multiples of 6 from 1 to 10, only we had element as 6. So, they ask any multiples of 3 from 1 to 10 is an element of G. That is wrong, no? Yes. Okay. Next one. Express each of the following sets in a different form by writing all the elements of each set within curly brackets. Represent each of these sets by a Venn diagram too. Right? Express each of the following sets in a different form by writing all the elements of each set within curly brackets, right? So, they have given description method, right? That means the second method we have learned last day, is that right?
Yes.
They have explained what is within curly brackets. So, we have to list out the elements. First one, prime numbers less than 10.
2, 3, 5 and 7.
Yes, 2, 3, 5 and 7 within curly brackets you have to write. P is equal to 3, 5, 7. Right. Next one. Colors of a rainbow. What are the colors?
Orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and white.
Yes, 7 colors are there. So, you have to write within curly brackets those colors. I think you already know. In science also you are learning, no? Yeah, right. Next one, 7. Letters of the word number.
N-U-M-B-E-R.
Yes. N, comma, U, comma, M, comma, B, comma, E, comma, R within curly brackets you have to write. Then S, whole numbers between 0 and 7. I think you know what are whole numbers. No, that means the numbers we are used to count or counting numbers. What are the numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All those elements you have to separate by using a comma, right? The last one, districts of the southern province. What are the districts?
Gaul, Mathura and Hambantota.
Yes, Gaul, Mathura, then Hambantota. All the elements you have to separate by using a comma, right? Then next one, they have given elements within curly brackets 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. What are those numbers? 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. What are those? Just we can identify. Yes, all those are multiples of 4, right? Less than, we can say 21, 22 or 23, right? Or in between 1 and 21, right? We will see what are the questions. Represent the set K by a Venn diagram. So, within closed figure you have to write down these elements. No? I have used a circle, then I have to name this one as K. Oh, sorry. This one K, then I have to write down the elements 4, then 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. I think your answers are correct.
Yeah.
Right. We see next question. Write down the set K in terms of a common property of its elements by which the elements can be clearly identified. So, what we can write? Within curly brackets you can write multiples of 4 I write between 1 and 21, or you can write multiples of 4 between 1 and 22. Any way you can describe, right? Okay, right. Next question. Fourth one. The set X has been represented by a Venn diagram here. In Venn diagram we have the letters A, E, I, O, U, right? Question number 1. Express set X in a different form by writing the elements of X within curly brackets. The first method we have learned, we have to write. Okay. Then we can write X equal within curly brackets simple A, E, I, O, U, and you have to close the brackets. Okay. Right. Then second question. Write down the set X in terms of a common property of its elements by which the elements can be clearly identified. What you can write?
Vowel letters.
Yes, we can write vowel letters in English alphabet. So, X is equal vowel letters in English alphabet. Right. So, you have to close the brackets also. Right. Is this okay?
Yes.
Right. We will move to next one then. Fifth question. Represent the set of multiples of 5 between 6 and 25. First one, by writing down a common property by which the elements of the set can be clearly identified. Next one, by writing all the elements of the set within curly brackets. Then third one, by a Venn diagrams. They are asking all three methods what we have learned last day, right? First one, how we can write? Same thing, we have to write within brackets, no? They haven't given a name. So, we have to give a name for that one. I will take that one as A. Set A is equal, I can write multiples of 5 between 6 and 25. So, you have to close the brackets. Then next one, by writing all the elements of the set within curly brackets. Same thing, A is equal within brackets. What are the values? Multiples of 5 between? Yes. 10, then 15, 20, between 6 and 24, that's all. We can't take 25. 10, 15 and 20, that's all. Then you have to, sorry? Multiples of 5 between 6 and 25, no? They are 6 and 25. Can we include 5 then? No, right? Then Venn diagram. So, you have to use closed figure and you have to name that one as, the name we have given A. Then elements are 10, 15, 20. That's all, right? Is there any doubt?
No.
Right. Then I will move to next one. That's all. Questions are finished, no? Right. Now we are going to learn the new lesson, basic mathematical operations. That means this is the third lesson what you have to learn in your textbook. Right? First write down the heading, then I will explain the lesson. Okay, right? Mathematical operations. Have you learned before? What are those?
No.
Basic mathematical operations? Haven't learned? These are the basic mathematical operations. I think you already know. Yeah. So shall we note down this one? Write down heading basic mathematical operations. Then under that write down these four: addition, multiplication, subtraction, division.
Okay, teacher.
Right. I'll give 4 minutes. I think that's enough.
Then teacher.
Right. Right, we will see this one, exercise 3.1 in your textbook. For each of the following numerical expressions, write down the mathematical operations in the order in which they appear. Right? Can you understand what are they asking?
No.
They don't ask to write the answer. You have to just write what? Mathematical operations in the order. First one, 5 plus 3 plus 2, or 5 addition 3 addition 2, right? So what is the mathematical operation we are using there?
This is the symbol.
Here question they are asking, write down the mathematical operation in the order in which they appear. That means, do you know what are numerical operations? Sorry, numerical expression? Yes, these are numerical expressions. That means there are two or more numbers joining with one or more mathematical operations. So we have learned now what are the mathematical operations. That should be addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. Sometimes you can have only addition like this. Next time, second question you had multiplication and subtraction. Okay, they just ask what are the mathematical operations they are using. In order you have to write. Okay, first one only you have addition, right? Next one multiplication and subtraction. Is that okay?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Next one, what are the mathematical operations they are using? Addition, sorry, yes, subtraction, then division and finally multiplication. Fourth one?
Fourth one, multiplication.
Yeah.
Addition, subtraction.
Yes, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Then last one?
Division, addition and
Again division, right? Okay. Then this one, have you heard this one? BODMAS rule, have you learned before? Have you heard before? No. Then I will explain what is BODMAS. Before that, you have to know for what are the situations we are using this rule, right? When you have mathematical operations, now I told you numerical expressions, right? In before this one, these are the expressions with numbers, so we call that one as numerical expressions, right? So if you have numerical expressions with 3, 2 or more mathematical operations, there should be a order to simplify that numerical expression. So we are using which rule? BODMAS rule to simplify that numerical expression. Okay. Look at this one, right? First you have BODMAS means the first letters of those words they have taken, right? For brackets they have taken B. Orders I will explain later what is that. O, division D, multiplication M, then A for addition, S for subtraction. Okay. Then here I will explain what is brackets. Sometimes in mathematical operations you can have like that, numerical expressions you have like this. Now here they have used what? Brackets, right? When you have numerical expression like that, first you have to simplify what? The sum inside that bracket, then you have to simplify other operations, right? Orders means these are you are learning in grade 7 also, indices, right? Those things secondly you have to simplify. Then next one, division. Look at this one, here subtraction and division part here. First what you have to do is you have to divide the, right? You have to divide the thing, then you have to subtract. 8 divided by 2, answer is 4. 10 minus 4, answer is 6. Okay. I think you got some idea, that is why I explained this. Okay. Then multiplication. When you have addition and multiplication, first what do you have to do? Do you add 6 and 3? No. First you have to do the multiplication, then you have to add the value. So this order you have to follow. Okay. First you have to do the multiplication, then you have to do the addition. This order you have to follow. Okay. Then finally addition, that's you already know. Then subtraction you already know. So when you have all these together, think you have brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, all those together in numerical expression. First what we have to simplify? The things which is in brackets. Then orders, then you have to simplify division, then multiplication, then addition, finally subtraction. Did you get any idea about BODMAS?
I can understand the order.
Which one?
The order.
Order. That one I will explain in this lesson. Now just think there is orders. Okay. When you are learning that one, I will explain what is that. Just think order is there, right? I will explain in this because when you get an numerical expressions, all those things, that means mathematical operations, this is the order you have to simplify that numerical expression. Okay. We will see some example, then you can understand what I am saying, right? First you have to note down this one. Write down heading BODMAS rule, then note down this one. I will explain what is this using example.
You can see. Now, so now I'm going to put my
Right. We will see some examples, right? Look at this one. Place a tick next to the correct statements and a cross next to the incorrect statements. Right? First one, 8 minus 5 plus 2. Answer is 1. Is that correct? According to BODMAS rule, which one we have to simplify first?
addition.
Yes. Then we have to do the subtraction. Then first what I have to do? I have to add these two. 5 plus 2, 7. Then 8 minus 7. Answer is 1. Is this statement correct?
Yes.
Yes. Right. Then second one, 12 multiplied by 3, then you have to subtract 11. So, which one we have to simplify first? Multiplication, then we have subtraction, then first we have to do the multiplication. Is that okay? Yes, then 12 into 3, answer is 36. You have to subtract 11, then what is the answer? 6 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 1, 2. Then that statement is also correct, right? Then I will give chance for you, third one and fourth one. Do those and tell me what are the answers.
Okay, teacher.
Right.
Teacher,
Yes.
I can understand how you do the division and the
That means fourth question. Fourth question is difficult.
the third question.
Third one, we'll see the answers, right? Here now we have addition and division. So first what we have to simplify? We have to do the division part. So I'll write 7, then addition. So 18 divided by 6. What is the answer? 3. Then 7 plus 3, answer is 10. Then this statement is also correct, right? Now okay, we'll see last one then. right. Now we have 3 operations there: multiplication, division, addition, right. So, what we have to simplify first? Here according to this order, multiplication, division, addition. Then first we have to simplify the division, then we have to do the multiplication, finally we have to do the addition. So, this is the division part. So, I will write 5 multiplication 6 divided by 3, answer is 2, then add 7, right. Now what I have to do is, I have to do the multiplication part. 5 into 2, answer is 10, plus 7, then answer is 17. Is this statement correct?
No.
No. Then we have to put cross here. I think now you got the idea what is word mass. Yes, right. I think you want to note down this. Have you done those? Not yet, no? Right. Complete that one. Right, finish. Okay.
Now done.
Now done, okay. Right. This is the questions what we have in exercise. This is second question, right. Shall we do some questions from this, right. I will mark some questions, so you have to complete. Finally, I will discuss with you, right. right? Do these 3 questions, then I will discuss with you,
Okay, teacher.
right.
Teacher,
Yes,
when I had 14 division to 7, and when the answer is 2, should I multiply with 5 or should I do 7 and 5?
you are asking question number 3,
Yeah.
right. There you have division and multiplication. So according to Bodmer's rule, first what you should simplify.
Division.
Yes, then 14 divided by 7, answer is
2.
2. Then 2 multiplied by 5, what is the answer?
3.
Oh, sorry. Look at this one. Here, 14 divided by 2. What is the answer?
2.
2. Then multiplication 5 you have next. This one. 2 by 5. What is the answer? 10.
10.
Yes, very easy. Okay. All right. Right, shall we move to the next question?
I'm doing the last one.
Right, okay, then do.
This is the last one I can understand.
Right, we'll discuss, then you can understand, right?
Okay, teacher.
Right. Right, next question, 195 minus 12, then multiplication 10, then division 5. So, according to this we have subtraction, then multiplication, then we have division. First what we have to do is division, this part. So, just I will write it 195 minus 12, then multiplication 10 divided by 5. What is the answer?
Teacher, should
Yes.
we do from bottom, should we do from up to down or from down to up?
Sorry, I told you, this way you have to follow.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, then first you have to do the division part, right? Then 10 divided by 5, answer is 2. Is that okay? Right.
Yes, teacher.
Then what you have to do is multiplication. Then 195 subtraction, then 12 into 2, answer is 24. Now you can do subtraction part. 5 minus 4, 1, 9 minus 2, 7, 1 minus 0, then 1. Answer is 171. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Right. Then next question. This one. Now we have addition, multiplication and again addition. So first what we have to do? First you have to do which one? Multiplication. Then 7 plus 5. Then 7 plus this part you have to simplify. Then what is the answer? (37 by 5). 185. Is that okay?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Then 7 plus 185 plus 278. Now you have to add all these together. 7 plus 5, 12, then 9, 1 plus 278, 8 plus 2, 10, 7 plus 9, 16 plus 1, 17, remaining 1, 2 plus 1, 3, with remaining 1 you have to add 4, then 470, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, right. Then we will move to next part, brackets.
Teacher, should I write that down?
Right, okay.
Nine, teacher.
Right. Here I ask you to note down this now. I'll explain that again. Here I ask you to note down this one now. Right?
Yes, teacher.
In that page you have to mark like this. Right? Draw an arrow like this. And you have to understand what is the way you have to simplify. Okay, then you can remember. So put an arrow like this way. Right? So always you have to simplify this order up to down. Right? Right.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then exercise 3.5, in that exercise same thing you have to do, but they have added something, that means brackets they have included in numerical expressions, right? I'll do some examples, then I'll give chance for you, right? I'll do first question, this one. Right? Simplify the following expressions. First one, this one, right? According to Bodmer's rule, what we have to simplify first? First one, B explain brackets, right? So I have to simplify the things within brackets, right? Here 12 plus 8. So what is the answer? Within brackets we have 12 plus 8, then answer is 20. Okay, then minus 15, very easy, answer is 5. I think very easy questions those. Is that true? Yeah. Right. I'll give chance for you then. Second one. Quickly do that. right? Very easy question, yes. 35 subtract within brackets 14 plus 9. First you have to simplify again the things what we have in brackets, right? 35 minus, then 14 plus 9. What is the answer? 23. Then 35 minus 23. What is the answer? Sorry?
12.
Sorry?
12. 12.
Yes. Answer is 12. Yes. Right? This one, I'll explain first, right? New thing is there, right? 7, then within brackets 12 minus 7. So, you have to know what is the mathematical operation in between 7 and these brackets. Do you know what is that? No, right? When you get an expression like this, so you have to understand the mathematical operation is the multiplication. Okay. When you get numerical expression like this, right? Here another question is there, 3, then within brackets 27 minus 13. That means in between these two, 3 multiplication 27 minus 13 is there, right? Okay, we'll see then. I'll write like this, 7 multiplication 12 minus 7, right? Then bracket is there, so first we have to simplify brackets, then 7 multiplication 12 minus 7, 5, then answer is 35. What is the thing you have to learn in this question? In between brackets, and if you have a whole number or you can have fraction, decimal, any value, in between these two you have a symbol that is multiplication. Mathematical operation is multiplication. Is that okay? Right. So, you have to simplify this one alone, then do this one, fourth question. Right, shall we discuss the question?
I'm doing I'm doing a little more time. Can I have?
We'll see. Here 108 then plus 3. So, in between these two I told you there is multiplication sign, right. So, I will write this one as like this 108 plus 3 multiplication 27 minus 13, right. Now, is that okay?
Yes.
Right. So, I have to simplify brackets first, then 108 plus 3, then multiplication 27 minus 13. What is the answer? 7 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 1, 1. Right. Now, we have addition, then multiplication. First, what I have to simplify? According to this multiplication, then 108 plus 3 into 4 12, remaining 1, 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4, then 108 plus 42, 8 plus 2 10, remaining 1, 1 plus 4 5, then only 1 is there, answer is 150. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Right, shall we do fifth one then? This one.
Fine, teacher.
Right, okay, we'll see. Right, we have brackets, then division. First part we have to simplify the things what we have in brackets. Then 24 divided by 17 minus 5, what is the answer? 12. Then 24 you have to divide by 12, answer is 2. Very easy question, right? Right. So, remaining questions I will give as homework. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Here, these two questions. That is in same exercise, right? So, you can go through those two questions and try to find the answers. I will discuss with you next day. Only two questions are there. You have to create expression, then you have to simplify that, right? If you have doubt, next day I will explain. So, you have to try.
I see the question number 1 to question number 3.
Which one?
Should I do question number 1 to question number 3?
Yes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Right. Then question number 4. Those are also very easy questions, right? Shall we try to do this one? Wait. 10th one and 11th one. Same rule we have to use, that is BODMAS rule. Try to do those two questions.
Only those 2 questions.
Only those two enough, I think. Remaining I will give as homework, because same thing what we have learned in prior exercise also we have done same questions like that, no?
Yeah.
Right? These two some bit long expressions, that's why I taken those. Okay, all right.
Bye, teacher.
Sorry,
Bye, teacher.
have you done?
That one?
This one, 10th one, have finished. Is that difficult?
Should I do those at homework or should I do now, teacher?
Yes, now you have to do.
Okay, teacher.
All right, then try. If you have finished 10th one, let me know.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Right, shall we discuss now?
Can I have a little more time, teacher?
Alright, okay, I'll give.
Teacher, I can't understand this properly now.
Alright, I will explain. Right? Look at the expression first. What are the mathematical operations we have? Here, first we have addition, next multiplication, then this one brackets, then division, again subtraction, right? According to BODMAS rule, now we have all together these four, right? Brackets we have. So first what I have to do? I have to simplify brackets, right? Then I'll write 3 plus 6 multiplication. Now I am going to simplify brackets. 5 plus 4, what is the value? Answer is 9. Then division 3 minus 7. Brackets we have simplified, right? Then what I have to do? O, that means orders we don't have, then division, right? Where we have division? Here 9 divided by 3. Is that okay? Right? Then I can write 3 plus 6. When I divide 9 by 3, answer is 3. Then multiplication 3, subtraction 7. Division part also okay now, right? Then what I have to do? I have to do the multiplication. Then 6 multiplied by 3. 3 plus 6 multiplied by 3, 18 minus 7, right? Then multiplication also okay. Addition and subtraction. Now what I have to simplify? Addition. 3 plus 18. What is the value? 21. Then minus 7. What is the final answer? 11 minus 7, 4, remaining 1, 14. Okay, very easy when you understand the order, right?
Okay, teacher.
Right.
Can I note that down?
Yes. Right, finish.
I'm doing the 11th one now.
Alright. When you complete, let me know then.
Okay.
Right.
Done, teacher.
Right, we'll see. Here what are the mathematical operations are there? Here addition, then in between these two multiplication, then here again you have multiplication, then brackets also you have, then subtraction. First what you have to simplify? Brackets, right? Then ten plus 8 multiplication within brackets 11 minus 3. Answer is how much? 8. Then again multiplication 4 minus 4, right? 10 plus 8 multiplication 8 multiplication 4 minus 4. Now what you have to simplify? According to this you have to simplify multiplication. Then here 10 plus, all together you can simplify multiplications. Then 8 into 8 how much? 64, again by 4, then minus 4, right? Then 10 plus 64 by 4, 4 into 4, 16, remaining 1, 6 into 4, 24, plus 1, 25, minus 4. Then what do you have to do? Then you have to do the addition part. 10 plus 256, then 266 minus 4. Then answer is how much? 266 minus 4, 262. Okay. Did you get the answer? Yes.
Yes.
Good. Now you got the idea, no? Yes. Okay. That's all. Right? So there are remaining questions in this exercise. Right? You have to complete that. Right? In this exercise also I have done only these 2 questions. Remaining questions you have to do as homework. Right? So third lesson also I have finished today. Right? Next day I have to start next lesson. If you have doubt you can ask from me. Okay? Right. Shall we stop for today then?
Okay, teacher.
Right. I think you haven't any doubts. So then have a nice day. We'll meet next day. Right?
Teacher.
Okay. Bye.